Welcome back to AB Homesteading. These are our brand new red New Zealand rabbits. And today we're going to be showing you guys how we built the rabbit hutches. So the first step is we went to Menards and picked up some cedar 2x4s, 8 foot long, and some screws for the hutches, and some metal roof panels. So I got these plans for the hutches from Tealstone Homestead, and I can drop the plans for you guys down in the description if you guys are looking to build you some rabbit hutches. So we went ahead and cut all our wood down. Alright guys, so we just finished up cutting up all our wood, other than our plywood. We're going to do that later because we need a new saw blade, but we're going to start putting it all together now, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we just wrapped up the day. We got all our framing done, as you guys can see. Ends are a little short on a couple of them, but you'll have that on them big jobs. We're really happy with how everything's looking so far, so we'll be right back at it tomorrow morning. At this point, we had to wait on the floor wire to come in, but now it's time to go pick up the rabbits. Alright guys, so there are our new rabbits. They are red New Zealands. So I'm super excited. They look super healthy. And yeah guys, so we're gonna head back home now and finish up the hutches and get them all situated at home. So let's get right to it. Alright guys, so we just finished up building all our rabbit hutches and we're gonna give you a little tour of one. So we're gonna come right in here, open this bad boy up. Alright guys, so these are our rabbit hutches. So first things first, we got a simple water bowl right in here, and then we do have our magnetic lid feeder, as you guys can see. Super nice. This lid is magnetic. I can't even pull it off right now, but the rabbits should not be able to knock that off, so I'm super excited about that. And then as you guys come in onto this side, this is their den, as you guys can see, and we threw down some resting pads just so they can get off the bare wire, just so they don't get any bumblefoot or anything. And yeah, that's pretty much just a nice short little tour, guys. Thanks for watching us build these rabbit hutches, guys. Make sure to drop some names down in the comment section for our new baby rabbits. And in the next video, we're gonna go more in depth on these guys. So see you guys then.